Hey sis, what are you doing? Huh? You getting ready to get your shots, big girl? Say, I am 18 pounds of pure stinkiness. Yeah, you are. Hey, you. Kira Lynn. Big kid, hey. Hey, I'm talking to you. Hey, Kira. Peekaboo. But I don't hear you. What are you doing? Kira. Hi. Kira. What are you doing? Big kid. She's a big kid. Kira. Hey. I see you.